AutoTube review. Hello friends, I'm Sid and today I'm here to review AutoTube by Rudy Rudra, launching on 10th March at 11 am EST. AutoTube is basically a revolutionary, groundbreaking, fully automated YouTube traffic weapon that enables marketers to drive unlimited traffic to their offers, websites, blogs, etc., and also increase leads, sales, and buyers within just few minutes with no technical skills required. Now, AutoTube is a very simple solution to all your YouTube traffic problems, and you can get your video trending in any niche, and you can easily get over 50 comments included to your link, and just hit one click and it's automatically posted on all trending videos, and the traffic instantly start from your offer and you can get commissions and earn money. AutoTube is unique and different from other old school and outdated traffic driving solutions that seldom deliver real results. AutoTube is loaded with several never seen before groundbreaking technologies packed into one easy to use dashboard that's very refined and smooth working. Driving YouTube traffic instantly for your offers has never been easier before. You just need to use AutoTube and all your YouTube traffic problems are solved once and for all. With AutoTube you get instant 3-click activation and results. You get maximum exposure for your offers easily. AutoTube is 100% cloud-based and newbie-friendly technology, and you also receive step-by-step training and videos. There are no complex technical hassles needed, and the best part is AutoTube works in 3 simple steps. In the first step, you need to log into the software and you get a 100% newbie-friendly cloud-based app and get ready to see the magic begin. In the second step, you create your campaign in few easy steps and be on the right track to get the desired results. In the third and final step, you have to just drive traffic as you drive targeted done for you traffic from YouTube hands-free. So let's watch a small demo of AutoTube so that we know how this works and how powerful this can be to drive consistent traffic from YouTube to your offers. Let's talk about the pricing of AutoTube. The front end of the product costs you $17, and with this you can drive automated laser targeted traffic from YouTube within the next few minutes to any blog or website with no extra monthly fees ever, and no need for domain or hosting either. Here are some of the major features of the front end offer. You get just one-click YouTube trending videos traffic. You get easily one-click fetch trending videos, no need for domain or hosting, no need to create videos, easy to use image editor to create highly engaging images for videos. You can automatically search and find most views and liked videos in just a few clicks. You can use advanced link shortener to convert your big link into smaller ones without any banning issue. You also can reduce your dependency on third parties, etc. Now remember, the front end of the product, it will cost you $17, and you can start buying it from 11 a.m. EST on the 10th of March, but every 1 hour the price increases by 1 cent, and the increase is indefinite. So you need to get your hands on AutoTube as quickly as you can to lock your pricing at the lowest price point possible. The first upgrade of the product is called AutoTube Unlimited, which costs you $37, and here you can unlock unlimited features to get maximum traffic, sales and profits with just a few clicks. With this upgrade you get unlimited YouTube traffic and add unlimited YouTube accounts, add unlimited YouTube video downloads, you get exclusive traffic training, and you also get easy to understand software video training included with this, and also you'll get a $100 case study video. The next upgrade of the product is called Autotube Pro, which costs $47, and with this you get 300% more traffic and sales faster and easier with zero technical hassles ever. You get maximum audience glued using the power of fresh visual content. You get step-by-step exclusive traffic, full training plus case study. You also get millions of stock images which you can download in just one click. The next upgrade of the product is called AutoTube Done For You, which costs $197, and with this upgrade you get 500% more traffic, sales and profits without any expensive fee or doing anything yourself. With the next upgrade, which is called AutoTube Reseller, it costs you $97, and here you can grab complete resell rights to AutoTube and generate a cool monthly income in the next 24 hours. You can start your own profitable software selling business instantly without any huge investment. You no need to invest $10K to $50K for product creation and marketing purposes. No turning your hair gray for managing customer service and support. You can keep 100% of the profits yourself with this reseller right option of AutoTube. Now Rudy is offering some great bonuses if you decide to buy AutoTube. Now some of the great bonuses that he is offering if you get your hands on AutoTube is, the first bonus is how we make $100 per day on AutoTube. This is the first bonus that he is offering. The next bonus is YouTube marketing cheat sheet. The next bonus that Rudy is offering is Instagram exclusive guide. The next bonus is step-by-step from scratch to profit training, and the next bonus is $100 case study from YouTube. You can get all these bonuses if you buy AutoTube. And remember, AutoTube comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you do not get the results that you were looking for by using AutoTube, you can always ask for a refund from the first 30 days from the date of your purchase of AutoTube. Remember, I am also offering some great bonuses if you decide to buy AutoTube through my link. So you just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page where I have listed all my bonuses, and you can click on any of these blue tabs which will bring you to the sales page of AutoTube, where you can complete your purchase, and all these bonuses will be automatically added to your purchase, adding even more value to AutoTube purchase. So let's take a look at the bonuses that I am offering. My first bonus is Ultimate Traffic Mantra. My next bonus is the Secret Weapon. My next bonus is the Awakening, and my next bonus is Free Traffic Frenzy. You'll get all these bonuses on buying AutoTube through my link. Thank you so much for watching my AutoTube review. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.